So I got these in the mail the other day. This is the Kujo, which is just a super cute pair of skinny sunglasses by Gentle Monster. They were on sale from $280 to $84. So I snatched them up because I actually tried them on in Korea during the summer of 2018. And have wanted them ever since. They're cute, right? Even the yellow color that I wanted was on sale, while the other colors were not. And finally getting these really made me realize something that I guess I just wanted to share with you guys, and that is the importance of buying intentionally. Now, this can not only have massive effects on the environment, obviously buying intentionally is a very eco-friendly concept. However, I think it also very much strengthens your relationship that you have with your wardrobe. So let's just rewind to last summer when I got my first pair of Gentle Monster glasses ever, which was the Ambush collaboration. I have an entire video on these and the entire experience of actually buying them, so make sure you check it out if you're interested. They are super cool glasses at the end of the day. Anyway, Chris and I last summer went into the super limited pop-up store for the collaboration on the last day that it was in existence. And I fell in love with these glasses. So I decided to buy them right then and there, and I still think that they're very cute and very cool, as I said a minute ago. However, I have literally only worn them once, to the point where I'm now actually considering selling these. So if you're interested, hit me up. But because of that, I found myself kind of hesitating whenever I was buying the Kujos. I found myself really asking, like, do I need these in my life? Because I don't really wear a lot of glasses, and I think that that's where I went wrong with this pair. Unfortunately, I thought that I would wear them and that for some reason they would be a great gateway into glasses wearing, but they just weren't. So because I was wrong with that, I really was second guessing myself on these buddies. However, I found that the answer to that came really simply once I realized that I've waited 2 years to get these. Whereas in the case of the Ambush glasses, it only took me like 2 minutes to come to that decision. And while it might not be necessary for everyone to wait 2 whole years to make a purchasing decision, I just wanted to simply remind everyone to beware of the hype. As I mentioned, Chris and I went on the very last day of the pop-up, so there was definitely a sense of urgency. The entire environment was really like fun and exciting and kind of new for me, so I definitely bought into it, not realizing how unpractical, well, I guess I did realize how impractical these glasses were. I mean, they're huge, they're acrylic, they're a statement piece. However, I thought that I would just wear them more than I do, and that's my bad. Additionally, they are a very trendy piece, which can be a problem in and of itself. And I know that you guys are probably looking at me like, okay, what are you talking about? The skinny sunglass trend is like over. Like, these are very much a trendy piece as well, which can often be a problem in and of itself. I mean, think about like the dad shoes, right? Like the mere sight of a XXS is making us want to vomit right now because it's been so overplayed, and unfortunately that is just the reality of it. So spending a good chunk of money, or even $10 in the case of fast fashion, on something that you're not gonna wear for longer than a season, if even, is just a little iffy, and is not only really wasteful and, as I mentioned before, harmful for the environment, it also does nothing to progress your personal style. Now, I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, okay, hypocrite, those skinny sunglasses are the literal definition of a fad, and maybe you're right. However, there can be plenty of instances in which your personal style just happens to overlap with a trend, and that's fine. Mine is like eccentric and like grungy stuff. 90s grunge skinny glasses totally fits in with the rest of what I wear. I mean, trends are fun. They're trends for a reason. I'm not saying that you shouldn't buy into trends at like any cost, because obviously I do. I guess my point is, trend or not, just really try to gauge the value of the item that you're adding to your wardrobe in relation to your personal style. Like, period. Really just think about it and like imagine it with what you're gonna wear, imagine how you're gonna wear it, make sure that it's something that will actually have longevity and will actually progress your wardrobe in some way, shape, or form. And that's just really the best way to get the best bang out of your buck. So those are just my thoughts lately. Thank you for sitting through them. I hope that you enjoyed seeing my new buy. It was a steal, so I'm very proud of it. And that's where this video all kind of stemmed from. But anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.